Like the GoPro?
そう。お名前
サザエ。
サザエ。
Yeah.
そう。友達、キャッチ
You know, バイザーだ。
お、バイ。
泊まり。
泊まり。
This is サザエ。
サザエ。美味しいですか？
いや、I don't think so.
Just prayed for my happiness. Hello. She prayed for my happiness for 2 minutes. I feel happier already. She's a stranger, but she said, "Can I pray for your happiness?" Yeah, that's fair. Pray for my happiness. I pray for my own happiness all the time. Kame-sama. This guy's just having a smoke, smashing shit in his sneakers. Just wait outside the taco stand so I can get a hamburger. Nice song, it doesn't make sense. What's a taco stand, but you're getting a hamburger? Oh man, the honking. I'm working on a song today called The Honking. It's gonna be fucking glorious. The honking will continue until freedom improves. But the best part is, it's been 0 days without a honk. People looking at me like I'm crazy. But if only they knew. It's been fucking legitimately 0 days without a honk. But my life is fucking honk free. Honk free, boys. Cheers to no honks. $4, not bad. Homemade. If you call this a home, made by a nice lady. Wild. Jimmy-san, Masaru-san, Ei-chan, Akira-san, Domi-san, Tako-chan, Hiro-san. In Japanese, you put san on someone's name if they're older than you and you want to show respect. And if they're younger than you, you say chan. Tako-chan is like young guy. And also somewhat respect, but you're the elder, so you deserve the most respect. There you go.
サザエ、キモい。キモい。ケビン。
That's fucking
いや
gross.
キモい。
いらない。
キモい。いやー、fuck you.
Fuck you, he says. What the fuck is that?
ダメ？なんやもう、もっちゃんがそうやっていじ
どうぞ、
るから。
刺身。
なあ、ボイル。
ボイル。
ボイル。
Okay. I understand.
No.
作る。作る。cook.
あ
cook. 刺身じゃない。
刺身じゃない。あ、刺身もオッケーオッケー。
刺身 OK？
フレッシュオッケー。
フレッシュ OK。
オッケー。
これ、フレッシュじゃない。
わかんない。
わかんない。
アキラさん。アキラさん。アキラさん。
プロフェッショナル。
アキラさん。アキラさん。アキラさん。いや、今ミートだけど、今日これフレッシュ。おフレッシュ。キモ取れた。生はダメだよ。お腹はもういっぱい。これ生はダメだよ。わかんない。生きてない。なんてことだよ。今。これ。こっちはダメ。こっちもダメ？まだ。また。いや、サザエ。サザエさん。サザエさん。
美味しくない。美味しくない。おかしい。美味しくない means it doesn't look good. It doesn't look tasty.
大阪スタイル？
No, Canada style. Oh, it's fucking raining hard tonight. Fucking 0 days by 0 days without a honk. It's been 0 days without a honk. It smells good. I like the smell of chicks. Hey, walking home from the beach, and it's pouring rain. It's tropical rain. The kind of rain that makes you wet like through and through. Can you hear it? Yeah, listen to that. Oh yeah, that's real rain. In Vancouver, we got rain all the time, but it's like pussy rain. It's like rain for chicks. This is rain for men. Everybody hiding. Everybody's hiding. Whoa, what the fuck was that? This chick just almost walked in. Daijoubu desu ka? Yeah? Okay. Okay. This chick almost walked in front of that car. Maybe he stopped. He's like, yeah, let's pick her up because she's a girl and she's fucking wasted. Wasted. She's not white girl wasted. She's fucking Japanese girl wasted. And I'm just fucking white boy wasted. I'm fucking soaked. It's good times. It's been 0 days without a honk. Yeah, that's right. Let's fucking do it. Let's fucking do it. Oh, so wet. I'm soaked. Maybe you can't see. That's okay. Listen to this rain. It's fucking strong. Alright, well, I'm going home. Kaitai desu. Kaitai desu. Chotto yotta. It's ame. Oh, sugoi ame. Oh my god, I'm wet. The worst part is I gotta take a piss. Fuck. Usually I piss in the river on the way home, but maybe I don't want it this time. I'm just gonna run home. Cheers, guys. Love you. See you tomorrow.